Hey there, fellow dreamers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of manifestation with something super fun and creative called vision boards. So, what's a vision board, you ask? Well, think of it as your personal roadmap to achieving your dreams. It's like a colorful collage that helps you visualize your goals and aspirations. And the best part? It's like arts and crafts for adults. Who could say no to that? Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of creating your own vision board. First, gather some magazines, photos, and inspiring quotes. You know, all the things that make your heart sing and your dreams soar. Time to unleash your inner Picasso. Cut out those images that resonate with your goals. Whether it's that dream vacation, a shiny new car, or simply a healthy lifestyle. Stick 'em on the board in a way that makes your heart race with excitement. And now the glue stick of destiny. Glue those images down and let the universe know what you're aiming for. Oh, and don't forget the magic marker. You're going to want to add some empowering words or phrases. Think success, abundance, and I can do it. Make those letters pop. Voila, look at that masterpiece. Now, every time you see your vision board, you're not just looking at pretty pictures. You're reminding yourself of your goals, your dreams, and the amazing journey ahead. And there you have it, folks, your guide to making a kick-butt vision board. Remember, this is all about channeling your positive energy and attracting what you want in life. So get your creative juices flowing and let's manifest those dreams into reality. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your awesome vision board creations in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep creating.